Because sometimes we create our own problems. We create our own sorrows. Why you are not happy? I said, enjoy yourself. Injabulo ngicela ngibhekeni kodwa kusami ngiyongizwa ngina ngikhulumile ngingangizwa namhlanje. Injabulo enkulu empilweni yakho nenamandla ile creator wena kuwe individually then le elethwa abantu. Niyangizwa kodwa ile elethwa wena. Sit one day, go to the shop, buy something nice, sit down, eat alone, rejoice. Not always you think about your problems. Not always we are in wena. In you there is no happiness. But when you think of the situation, you are the one who created it. You should sebenza. Go and buy something for yourself. Any happiness that is more effective is the creator abantu. People today can bring happiness to you. Same people abalete happiness to you. Sorrow. Only few people will understand what I'm saying. Today somebody only think tabulo with sasa and letting happiness. So the important because I will waste time like maintain fruit of the spirit. In that one. Yeah. Because everyone who says so, when I have one by Jahi. Never I was so low. For the band. Makoma chuko. Matotakato paradise. My keeping to where I have named. Keeping to have named. I was so low. Let wines and final. We saw. If we are a pan or two to Labi or two to Chapo with a profession. Or to Chapo and now who was to Chapo, Babang Deru and Peru Simu. Temporal situations, some lash, etc. is into a permanent. Yes, sometimes to lose is into a permanent situation, a temporal. We are preaching to Abadabana Begezi. Sifulis into a trash. We lose trust in God. We lose things. When a man who have stayed many years praying for one thing, I got to fulfill it. And now we're now so system. I'll destroy you cause and pain. We destroy our even a relationship. Destroy a band of impatient. Very impatient. Destroy the relationship. Even the business. In a destroy by impatient, more carry to man fully tell if we are fresh. Can't have a fully bas never boom, never people. It's the days as well in a business. Manga was better, you cannot stay. In Ako Aban Abekosa stayed in relationships, in business, everywhere because as squads beggars say, contrary to Tuga even when it's unnecessary. Contrary to Pendula even when it's unnecessary.